Say hello to Echo Show. It connects to Alexa to show you things in vibrant HD, with crisp stereo sound, and a built-in hub that can quickly set up and control compatible smart home devices. Just ask to watch your flash briefing or TV series on Prime Video. Alexa, play Tom Clancy's Jack Ryan.
Here's Tom Clancy's Jack Ryan, Season 1, Episode 1.
Echo Show can stream all your favourite music from all your favourite places and call anyone with an Echo device or the Alexa app. Alexa, call Katie.
Calling Katie.
Hey you. Alexa, start my day. With routines, it's easy to turn on the lights, turn up the heat, and more with a single command. Alexa can also see who's at the front door or check in on your little one. Alexa, show me the nursery. Best of all, Echo Show and Alexa are always getting smarter and adding new features and skills. Echo Show from Amazon.